Next is triangles. So triangles have three sides, and here are some examples. A yield sign, some chips, or a slice of cake. So take a minute, pause, and look if you can find any in your house. Next is a rhombus. A rhombus has four sides, and here are some examples, like diamonds, or on playing cards, like a deck of cards, you might see little rhombi on it. And a kite. Can you find any rhombi at home? It might be tricky. This is a tricky shape. Next is ovals. Ovals have no sides. They're just like circles, but they're a little bit longer. And here are some examples. So like a mirror could be an oval, a racetrack, or even your outdoor swimming pool. So take a minute and see if you can find any at home. All right, next is rectangles. Rectangles have four sides. They're just like squares, but they're a little bit longer. And here are some real life examples. You see the American flag, a microwave, and even a door. Rectangles can go this way and they can also go this way. So they can go long ways or they can go up and down as long as their two sides are longer than the other two. Can you find any rectangles at home? Take a minute and look around. Okay, so the last thing that I want to teach you today are just some more 2D shapes. They're not the ones that we're really focusing on, but they're just ones that I want to mention so that you know what they are. So a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, and a real life example is a house. It has 2 sides that go like this at top, and then a square on the bottom. Next is a heart. Hearts have no sides, and here's a real life example. Some strawberries can actually look like hearts, but I'm sure you can find hearts everywhere. Next is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides, and a stop sign is a perfect example. So if you count each side of the stop sign, you'll count 8 sides, every stop sign. And lastly is a trapezoid. This might be a tricky word. It has 4 sides, and a real life example is a lock at the bottom. Trapezoids can be long, or they can also be really short, but as long as their 2 sides are kind of coming out a little bit more, than a square, and a little bit less than a rectangle, it's considered a trapezoid. All right, so that's all for our lesson on shapes today. Thank you, guys.